So now I want to deal on text join. So this is another text based function. So text join, it helps it assists in joining texts for whatever reasons. Probably you want to have a summary, you want to have a quick snapshot of the orders here instead of this long other summary. You want just need a quick snapshot. Say product category shipping city. You just so you need something like that. So to do that, you can make use of text join. Say equal to text join. So it's a delimiter. When you want to join your text, there has to be something to delimit one text from the other. So I like to use the backlash. So I'll do, and like I told you before, exclamation marks works very well. Yeah, it's very important in text-based calculations. So if there's a backslash, then ignore if empty. Okay. Should we ignore the Excel is asking you if we should ignore if empty? You just go through and then a comma, then you now place your texts. Okay, so the very first text that I want to take a look at is electronics, then comma, say probably New York, comma, probably say wireless, whatever. It's scattered. I just made it like that, just for us to understand. So you see there is a delimiter, electronics, New York, wireless mouse. Okay, so this is something I just did to show you how it looks like. Okay, electronics. So I want to do say name, or I'll say product category, shipping city, product category shipping city. So I just need to come here, this E2, where is product? Okay, it's here. Okay, I say okay. I think it's good like this. It's okay like this, just for us to understand. Product category shipping city. I think that's correct. So you could use any of the cells. Okay, I could say B2. Okay, I could say B2 and hit on enter. It's going to come as John, New York, whatever. You can say G2 here and E2 here. So it's going to come this way. So there's a delimiter, which is this backslash. So just click on this, it replicates down there. So now we want to make an email. We want to make an email out of the names. Okay, we want to make an email out of the names that has been given to us. So to do this, emails normally come in lowercase. So we're going to try lowercase. That's a new function we're learning now. So you click on lowercase, and then you click on concatenate. Okay, concatenate. Okay, so you go on the first text. You go on the first text, and then the first text here you want John. Where is John? I think John is in B2. So you go B2. This. Okay, you want the surname as well. Space, comma, C2. Okay, and then another comma. Then you want to put at gmail.com, isn't it? You probably want to put at Gmail, at mindtech.com. Then this, you will, because it's a text, you will need to put it in exclamation marks. Yeah, so I think we are good this way. Okay, all the commas are there, this is there, and I think we are good, aren't we? Okay, there needs to be a double closure. You see this here was where the issue was. Okay, you see this first comma needs to be closed at this end. This second, not comma, sorry, this first parenthesis brackets, what you call it, it opens here and it must close somewhere. This opens again, it must close somewhere, so it closes at the end here. So I'll take you on this particular that section on this. So this is it. Name and okay, John Smith, we're supposed to add a full stop. It's not just John Smith. Okay, it's more than that. Okay, so how do we put a dot what? Okay, John. Okay, middle instead of a space. So john.smith. At mindtech.com. So john.smith. So that's the conventional way of doing that. So you could double click, double tap, and it comes like this. Voila. So next section, I will be doing conditional concatenation using if, and so that's it. Thank you very much for coming. I appreciate it. Leave us a like, follow. Yeah.